Isan tayo.
Yung iba ganun. Wala mga ganun.
Kaya mamaya.
Oy, pinata ka mo? 11?
Mahala mo diha. Basta ako nag-video.
Tapos na mag-live, Inday?
Walang signal.
Walang signal.
Bayad. Asa magbayad dapat ito dong?
Hindi mo iwan ng ID.
Na ako'y senior.
Senior.
May discount senior?
Saan mo kaya discount?
No.
Dadaga mo, animals mo.
Madi-discount. Bakit ako dudong di ko ma-stress? Animal man ko.
Sobrang maingay po.
Na-stress.
Sila.
Kanang sir, mga Bisaya raman ni sir. Bitaw.
Ala ko dahil mo makita. Pag-uwi natin naman.
First drop.
Also, your pickup point going to White Lion, Camels, Birds of the World, and African Savannah. First animal attraction is the
First
Aviary
attraction lang, sir. Aviary Dome. After Aviary Dome, overlooking Canberra.
Human eating monkey.
Kaya pala may oras na, alas 12 na. Wala namang wifi. Mabuti na lang at hindi na ano? Ang ginagawa ni John.
Hello. Ulo.
Pasok. Ganyan lang mga ibon.
Eagle.
Eagle. Ay, oo.
The eagle. Okay. Nakadako.
Ay, sug ba?
Ay, galing naman. Parot pa din.
Ay, mami.
Picture lang daw. Pinag-iris class pa daw. Today we have 2 lions that were bred and raised in the Philippines and Germany, not originated in South Africa. They have an area of 1.2 hectares where they can roam freely and exercise their natural behavior. And they are no longer want to appear white, you're just nearly white as they adapt the climate here in the
Okay. So they are black, approximately. Nearly white.
Nearly white. Chocolate.
Ah, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay.
Chocolate. Oy, talaga namang kinakarilang ano ah. Ang pagsiga ah.
Whether they are, yes, on this side, they're sleeping as they are nocturnal. They're more active at night. And during daytime, they mostly sleep. They can sleep 16 to 20 hours a day.
Kaya nga, sa amin, bilang ko na, napahungaw.
They are both male, siblings and are 8 years old. Yes, they can sleep 16 to 20 hours.
Yes,
Their names are Ben and Ken. Ben and Ken.
Ben and Ken. Uy, Leo, kung ako naman kayo, mabuhi ka.
For their diet, they're fed raw chicken or beef, 5 to 8 kilos per lion.
Buhay ba yan? Kung may kilos.
Natutulog pa sila. Tingnan niya.
Uy, fishing!
They are the second largest big cat after tigers, but they have the loudest roar.
Ganyan
Their
sila
roar can be
talaga
heard from
matulog.
8 kilometers.
Hindi nagigising kahit minsan.
Yes po, sanay po kasi.
Kasi nakarinig kasi kayo. Hello,
Madali lang kasi yan sila mo wake up pag may marinig sila mga kasakasa sa kilig.
bugnuon ganita din.
As you can see, they are not aggressive as they are well fed and well taken care of. Hindi din sila pinapakain ng mga live animals to less their wilderness po. Mga bloodless na kami.
Okay.
Ano, sabi ka po bilang ka, bako pangutana.
Natural na nila matong yan.
Murag si Joker ba?
Siya.
Ako parehas daw yan lalaki. Ilang years na sila?
8 years old. We don't have lioness or to avoid aggressive
Hubog,
fight.
balik, hubog. Nag-inom sila kagabi.
Pala yung lalaki. Ay, badi.
Bilib, sa pusing sa isaw. Kuya,
Alright, please now hold on to the ground part.